Hi children. In last class, what we learned about a chemical indicators like blue litmus paper, red litmus paper, phenolphthalein, methyl orange. And here let us do some more experiments. Take a natural acid, say lemon juice, in 6 test tubes and add copper, zinc, magnesium, iron, brass, aluminum pieces to each one of the test tube separately. So what did you observe after testing means light a matchstick and introduce it into the test tubes. First in this call is 6 test tube, one test tube lemon juice, then add one by one separately copper, zinc, magnesium, iron, brass, aluminum pieces in each test tube. After one lighting matchstick వెలుగుతున్నటువంటి ఒక matchstick to the mouth of the test tube. So what we observe means that one appear a glow. Yeah, light a matchstick. It catches fire with a sound. That gas is after reaction one gas is released. That gas is hydrogen gas. So who are invented hydrogen gas means Henry Cavendish, an Italian Cavendish. Henry Cavendish, an Italian scientist, discovered a colorless gas called hydrogen. Balloons are filled with this gas. The balloons are used for beautification, for birthdays and home decorative also. Next, sometimes you observe copper bowl after kept in air few days. Nowadays everyone use the copper water bottle. Children, you observe ఈ నవేడేస్లో అందరు ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కాపర్ బాటిల్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. 2 or 3 days afterwards you observe that color will change because that is copper or react with the atmosphere oxygen. So that's why they afterwards at home also your mothers are for washing puja in goddess things, puja samagris also they are clean with lemon or tamarind or lemon because they are a reaction. In our kitchen there are lot of chemical changes you observe. Next topic, acid rain. Acid rains are the combination of carbonic acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid with rainwater. Acid rains cause damage to buildings and monuments like Taj Mahal and our skin. So cause of acid rain, the walls Taj Mahal built with marble, white color marble. So cause of acid rain, the layer coat of that marble layer are damaged slowly. So that's why our government reduce the pollution around the Taj Mahal. Industrial waste gases contain sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide. When they get mixed with moisture, the change to sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid. Yeah, these are the what is the acid rain. Acid rains are the some acid are combined with rain water. So that is called the acid rain. Next one, let us do 7. Take lemon juice in 2 test tubes and add some pieces of marble in 1 test tube to test tube and another one is egg cells to the another. So bring burning matchstick near to the test tube. The flame extinguishes. These are due to the release of some gas. Pass the gas into lime water. What happened? Can you see the formation of precipitation? Precipitation means like a moisture. Yes, children, see here picture. Lime water turn milky white like a butter. మన ఒక ముద్దలాగా అయిపోతుంది. హియర్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్, హియర్ వైట్ కలర్, దిస్ వన్ precipitation. Lime water, after lime water react with acid, they become a release the carbon dioxide. Children, this activity related to video now I show to you. Yeah, children, you understood now? In there are two test tube. In one test tube, two test tube, they take some quantity of lemon juice. In one test tube, they are the excels and another one marble, but in both cases are hydrogen gas are released. Why, how do you say hydrogen gas is released in that reaction means the lighting mastic are put off. Did you observe in this video? Yeah. And one more also you observe na, they are dip in a blue and red litmus paper. They did not change color. Like blue also dip in that liquid, that become a blue only. Red also they did not change, red only. So this type of solutions are we call neutral. Before classes we learnt only acid substances and base substances. Now not as neither acid neither base. That type of substances we call the neutral solutions. Like water also neutral. They did not water is neither acid nor base. Is it clear, children? You understood? Neutral solutions also there. Yes, see children, next topic. Let us do activity. This also same children. Take some quantity of laboratory acid, that is hydrochloric acid, and add a caustic soda or nitrogen attracts. So then afterwards hydrochloric acid, caustic soda form a pesticide, neutral, colorless. Keep doing this until children, hydrochloric acid is acid nature and caustic soda is the base. After acid plus base reaction we get the water and salt. Now I show one more video to you.
In 2 beakers, take equal volumes of sodium hydroxide and dilute hydrochloric acid solutions. Mix the 2 solutions well for a uniform and proper reaction. And our common salt solution is ready. You don't believe? Take a few drops of the solution on a petri dish and dry it over a spirit lamp. Wait and watch. Soon the water evaporates and you can see white crystals of salt. These crystals are sodium chloride or common salt. NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. This shows that
Children, same quantity of acid HCl in that video and base is NaOH, that is caustic soda or sodium hydroxide. After reaction form the NaCl. NaCl is a common salt. In our daily life we use in kitchen, మన కిచెన్లో వాడుకునేటువంటి ఈ డైలీ సాల్ట్ నేమ్, కెమికల్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ sodium chloride, NaCl plus water molecule also form. After evaporation they using they burn that liquid కదా, ఆ బర్ని లిక్విడ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, వాటర్ ఆర్ ఎవాపరేటెడ్ అండ్ పెసిపిసేట్ అంటే లైక్ ఏ సాల్ట్, ఒక పదార్థం అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రెసిపిసేట్. నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్, fertile land, organic manure. In recent years, the use of chemical fertilizer has increased through the use of chemical fertilizers increase the production of crops. It changes the nature of soil. Some fertilizers increase the acidity of the soil and some changes its basicity. Thus, we use of natural organic manure is becoming more preferred these days. Children, nowadays for in killing the insects, that is pesticides or insecticide. So that's why the soil also become a acid nature or increase acidity of the soil. So that's why this also స్లోగా మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, అలాంటి క్రాప్స్ కానీ మాన్యూర్ కానీ మనం యూజ్ చేయడం వల్ల దాని ఎఫెక్ట్ మన బాడీ పైన ఉంటుంది. అలాగే క్లైమేట్ కూడా లైక్ బిఫోర్ వి డిస్కషన్ యాసిడ్ రైన్స్. సో ఇలా మన కొద్దిగా ఫెర్టిలైజర్స్ అనేవి ఎక్కువ యూజ్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే మన నేచర్ కూడా గ్లోబల్ వార్మ్ అనేది కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్, టెంపరేచర్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఇన్ నేచర్. Next, salt. Now only we discuss now neutralizing hydrochloric acid solution with caustic soda. Solution, they form a sodium chloride is formed. Formation of salt depends on the type of acid and base and the ratio of their mixture. So how to form a salt? This is the acid plus base equal to salt plus H2O. H2O means water molecule. So this equation we call the neutralizing. Neutralizing. So balance. Neutral means balance. To cause acid not neither acid or base. Yeah, now second video they show na dip in a red litmus and blue litmus, no change. So see children, here copper sulfate, common salt, sodium carbonate. So you are test blue litmus or red litmus. Salt means neutralize, the no change. That is a not a acid base. So here commonly we use preparation of pickles. What type of acid in there? Acetic. Preparation of pulhora, citric acid. Cold drinks, carbonic acid. So that's why you don't drink more cold drinks, because in your stomach also acidity will increase. Removal of ink, stainless oxalic acid. Manuse, batteries also sulfuric acid. Medicine, dyes, hydrochloric acid. Explosive, nitric acid. Next one, bases. In bases contain which food items or which things contain a bases? Removing of grease stain, ammonium hydroxide. Soap containers, potassium hydroxide. Bleaching powder. In our soap also contain a potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Bleaching powder means somebody are using for washing the white clothes. Bleaching powder and kill the germs in water also. Manjira water also, HMC workers are adding the bleaching powder, because bleaching powder kill the germs in water. Calcium hydroxide. Fire extinguisher contain a aluminum hydroxide. Next, salt, food, preservation of common salt. Wash clothes, washing soda. Cold drinks, cake, baking soda. Okay children, once you read lesson thoroughly, you have any doubts and anything, you write in your book. Afterwards, I clarify your doubts. Okay, na? Children, have a nice day. Thank you.